Recently, a lot of uproar has been created over a nude photo shoot by actor Ranveer Singh, prompting a fresh debate on law relating to obscenity in India. So, it's not the first incident of its kind. Prior to this, as well, there have been instances where obscenity and art have been at crossroads. The important question to be considered here is whether every act of nudity amounts to obscenity or not, and also whether anything and everything done in the name of artistic expression can escape the test of obscenity. Now, as far as the law is concerned, we have provisions in IPC as well as IT Act which deal with definition of obscenity as well as provide punishment for it. The punishment for obscenity can range in the form of imprisonment of up to 3 years as well as fine. The relevant provisions are section 292, 293, 294 and 509 of IPC and section 67A of the IT Act, which deals with transmission of obscene acts through electronic media. Now, the definition of obscenity is the important matter to be considered here. Supreme Court has time and again defined obscenity in context of the section 292 of IPC. The most widely accepted definition of the test for obscenity is whether the alleged obscene material tends to deprave or corrupt those who basically are prone to falling to such immoral influences. So the definition which is provided in IPC and has been interpreted by Supreme Court is not prescriptive, which means that it is very much contextual. It varies depending upon time as well as the moral standards of the society prevailing at that particular time. So in that context, we can also refer to a judgment of Supreme Court in Ajay Goswami versus Union of India, where Supreme Court categorically held that every act of nudity per se does not amount to obscenity, which means that a nude photograph in itself does not become obscene. We have to look at it from the point of view of existing social standards, existing moral values of the society at that particular point of time, as well as the social sensibilities of that time. So, given all the controversy at the moment, if we look at the social sensibilities, prevailing social sensibilities and the moral standards, the photograph in itself does not amount to an act of obscenity, as the same is could be taken to be a form of artistic expression and very much acceptable to the society at the point of time.